Get your change purse. Get your change purse, Brenda, because this one right here is what you've been waiting for, okay? Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Kriyya Hair. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay, and your girl got some new to try for y'all today, okay? So today we have this brand new wine. I don't know if it's a wine. Is Prosecco a wine or is it Prosecco? Is that it? I don't know. Teach me down below, okay? But we have some Prosecco today, and it's by Vera Wang. It's called Party, and the only reason we are trying this today is because one of my favorite wig babes and YouTubers, Brittany, aka the Hearts and Cake 90 or I Fancy Cupcakes on Instagram, her husband Adrian actually designed this label, okay? Look. Okay, so when she posted this, I had to go ahead and support him just because, you know, I think that's pretty dope. Even if the drink is trash, the bottle is pretty. Okay, so make sure I got no lipstick on my teeth. Hold on. So make sure y'all show some love to Adrian down below. This is pretty cool. I don't even know how you open this real stuff. Okay, let me see. What I don't want to happen is it bust me in my daggone face. See, that's why I know that I'm drinking that fake stuff, because I'm used to a twist top. Just twist it off and go. This is all fancy. Hold on. Okay, so this is like an actual cork. So you just twist this off, right? I just don't want it to bust me in my face. I may have to YouTube this. You just pull it. Let me stand up. Okay, hold on. Ah, y'all hear that? Okay, so good thing I put my towel over it because that thing does pop out. So, you know, be careful with that. I did chill her. I don't want to pour that much because I don't know if it's good or not. Well, it smells, it's like a semi-sweet, I guess. Ooh, goodness. Ooh, oh, okay. It's definitely warm going down, okay. It's not bad, but it is like a, you know, it's not Stella, okay? It's not Stella, but still the bottle is real pretty, so you know, there's that. Okay, now if y'all see lipstick on my teeth, don't judge me, okay? I'm trying to be fancy today, okay? But anyway, before we get into my very affordable human hair unit, I will be showing you guys everything that I do to get my install like this. So if you want your hair to look like mine, make sure you stay tuned. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. so like I said, this unit comes to us from Kriyya Hair. Let me go ahead and tell you right now, this unit starts under $70. Okay, get your change purse. Get your change purse, Brenda, because this one right here is what you've been waiting for. Okay, this unit comes in 12 to 24 inches in a natural color. I got the 18 inches and my unit is still under $100 at $87. Okay, listen. I like that price point, okay, especially in this day and age when lace wigs are, you know, they expensive, okay. I still like to highlight the more affordable options, okay. Did y'all see how I blended my 4C etc. hair with this 3A curl pattern?
No, how'd you do that?
I'm glad you asked. Go ahead and double back and watch that install. Y'all saw how I styled mine in my install. However, if you want to wear this unit as a full cap and kind of cut some bangs into it and kind of do all that situation, you can definitely do that. I did go in and co-wash my unit and I did get some shedding with it, but not too much. I feel like this is a very easy beginner friendly unit to rock, especially if you like curly wigs. Just use your water conditioner and leave it mousse and you'll be good to go. Okay, y'all know I swear by this joint for curly wigs. That's it. And then you saw me go in and diffuse my hair. Diffusing matters, okay? So if you want your hair to be a lot fuller, if you want your curls to remain defined, diffuse the hair. Mine was only $15 and it's treating me right, okay? What are we thinking about this? I think she is, oh look, I still got my glasses on. Oh, I hope y'all can't see no glare because I can't see. I could definitely see myself rocking this in like a little half up, half down situation. It's kind of resembling that right now, even though I didn't mean to do that. But the way I kind of have it pinned up, like, you know, right here to kind of give it some height, kind of give me that half up, half down, you know, cascading look. So, you know, whatever. Get the wig. Get the wig. Get the wig. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Kriyya Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for my unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.